Hey, this is George and welcome back to George Basic Script and Finance. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to activate Cricket Wireless eSIM on your phone. First of all, you need to open your phone settings. Then you need to go to the search and write eSIM inside the search bar and choose Add eSIM option. Then you need to wait a few seconds and this pop-up will appear on your screen. Here will be two options: transfer from nearby iPhone or use the QR code. In this case, you need to choose use the QR code. You need to click on it and this opens the camera. You need to scan the QR code using the camera, or you can enter details manually by clicking this button in the bottom, enter details manually, enter SMTP plus, address, activation code and the confirmation code. Then click next in the top right and your eSIM will be activated. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.